like, y'all, I don't give a fuck about whoever's involved, because I know not everyone's involved, right? But whoever's involved with doing the stupid tactics just to distract me, I don't give a f. I don't care about that. I'm too big for that. But the fact that you're violating me too much, you're violating me, you're using and abusing me, you're violating my human rights, you're tormenting me. You're basically trying to destroy my life. But I'm not gonna let you, just to remind you. You know? That's what you're doing. That's what really you're doing, right? So, that's too much for me, you know? That's too much. Like, who will stay in a place that you know who's doing it to you, and they know that you know they're doing it to you, plus they are close to you? The one who should love you, protect you, and care for you will stab you behind your back, and they are the ones who will try to destroy you. I'd rather take that from strangers or people I don't know than take that every single fucking day by the people who I once loved deeply, unconditionally, and cared about, and gave a fuck about. But all this time, they're jealous of me, they're envious of me, they're threatened by me, they see me as a competition, and it's your own people who are doing it to you. Can you imagine that? Like, who can stay in that environment? Nobody. I'd rather take it from strangers or people I don't know than take it from people who should love me unconditionally. But they're not capable of loving me and caring for me because they are miserable on the inside. They don't have the capacity to love because they don't have a heart.